So what's up, guys? Today I'm filming on my GoPro because I forgot my camera at home, but we are going to be working on this Miata. We have to do an oil change for it because someone doesn't know how to regularly do their oil. It's nasty, that's for sure. So let's get to work.
Alright guys, so we had to get this put in because when I take this off, it's going to be really nasty like. So, just got to unscrew this. That's really hot, actually. And I think it's stuck on there.
Wait, is it budging?
Yeah!
Is it off?
WD-40!
Okay, it took us like 4 minutes since the last time I counted, so probably like more than that.
Oh, there it is.
Is it starting to leak now?
Yeah. I want to put another glove on because it's hot and I have to hold pressure on it.
Well, here's your other glove that you had.
Whatever works. It's probably gonna be really nasty.
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna be really black. When was the last time the other guy that you got it from changed?
Never told me.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And
Ow! No.
you got it?
Yep.
Coming out?
Yep.
Nice.
You see it? It's nasty.
Oh yeah. So it took us a wrench.
Let me see. I'll show him.
Don't cover the mic.
Nice. Nice.
Took us
Nice.
a wrench, a hammer, and what else? Oh,
WD-40.
and WD-40.
Thank you, WD-40. Sponsor us. We're gonna use you a lot.
Nice. Okay, so now that we got the oil out of the car, now we have to put the oil in the car, and what we're using is the Mobile One 10W to 30. Alright, so the oil change is now complete. We did it! So much better, so much better.